Stop scrolling. This crispy, cheesy snack will steal your heart. Today we are making super tasty bread cheese sticks, crunchy outside and melting cheese inside. Quick, easy and perfect for evening tea time. Let's start. Take a bowl, put boiled potatoes, mashed potatoes, and finally chopped onion and fresh coriander leaves, quarter spoon of chaat masala, quarter spoon of garam masala, half spoon of chili flakes, half spoon of dhania powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of jeera powder, and salt as per taste. Mix everything well until nicely. Take bread slice and cut the edges from all sides. Place one bread slice and spread the potato mixing evenly until. Grate some cheese on top and cover it with another bread slice. Press gently so it stick properly. Next step is cut the filled bread into square shape. Insert a stick carefully into each piece. Prepare the batter in a plate. Add 4 teaspoons of Maida, 2 tablespoons of Chiroti rava. Add salt to taste. Quarter spoon of Ajwain. Half spoon of Jeera powder. Half spoon of red chilli powder. Add required water and mix well. This is perfect consistency. Add oil. Once the oil is hot, dip each breadstick into the batter. and, and gently place it into the hot oil. Fry on medium flame, turning sides until golden and crispy. Remove and transfer to a plate. Final touch, grate some cheese on top and sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Your crispy, delicious bread cheese sticks are ready to serve. Enjoy them hot with ketchup or mayonnaise. If you like this easy snack recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes.